Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this POCO. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view. In my case, Play Store. Now access background apps by tapping on this square button. Hold your app and click on this icon with two rectangles. Now tap on Home button and click on the other app, like Chrome. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!